At St. Joseph's Academy, girls occupy every seat at the table. On every performance stage, in every leadership position, on every field of competition. We dream big, challenge limits, and explore every opportunity for success. At an all-girls school, we can be ourselves. We are comfortable raising our hands to ask a question or get clarification on something we don't understand. Because we feel safe to express ourselves, we grow in self-confidence and flourish academically. We speak our minds and know that our voices are heard and our opinions are respected. We are surrounded by peer role models and supported by teachers and administrators who believe in us. We are challenged to excel and inspired to become strong, confident leaders. We are part of a sisterhood walking through the next 4 years side by side. We learn together, pray together, discover together, play together, serve together, travel together, achieve together, worship together, and celebrate together. Each victory is sweeter because we share it, and each challenge is easier because we meet it as one. Experiences outside of the classroom are just as rewarding as those inside. Through more than 40 clubs and 12 athletic teams, we discover our passions, grow in leadership, and learn skills that will serve us throughout our lives. We are young women of faith who are inspired to find and use our God-given talents, gifts, and voices. Our Catholic identity and the guiding principles of the Sisters of St. Joseph are firmly embedded in every aspect of life at SJA.
Hold your head up, never back down. Let's climb on up to the rooftops. We'll shout it out loud.
We have the confidence to push ourselves beyond perceived limitations.
Next is the end call.
We believe we can achieve anything we set our hearts and minds to.